Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be talking about the different types of vitamins. So first, there are two kinds of vitamins, fat soluble and water soluble. Fat soluble is just shown with the yellow teardrop. Is basically they stay in your body after you take them in. So you shouldn't take too much of it, or it'll cause bad things. Water soluble, which is shown with the blue teardrop, is it means like they don't stay in your body. So if you take too much, there may not be too many consequences, and they'll leave your body if you take too much of it. First, vitamin A, they're in charge of maintaining your bones, soft tissues, skin, and retina. So they make sure you can see it. And they're found in meat, dairy, fruits, and veggies. And not enough of it will cause blindness. And too much will cause poisoning and birth defects. Vitamin B1, also known as the thiamine, it basically helps you turn carbohydrates into energy, and helps with moving of muscles and conducting nerve signals. They're very important for movement. They're found in a variety of foods like grain, beef, eggs, and nuts. Not enough will cause weakness, confusion, and mental problems and nerve damage. And so vitamin B2 is also known as riboflavin, is found in red blood cell producing red blood cells, body growth and energy, and releasing energy from carbs, proteins, and fats. So the big three. They're found in some meats, dairies, veggies, and nuts. And so not enough of it will cause anemia, mouth sores, sore throat, and skin issues. Vitamin B3, niacin, helps digestive system, helps skin and nerve. There may be in dairy, wheat, peanuts, and some meat. Not enough of it will cause digestive problems, inflamed skin, and poor mental function. While too much of it will cause high sugar levels, liver damage, ulcers, and skin rashes. Vitamin B5 or pantothenic acid is very similar to B7 or biotin. They help metabolizing food, basically producing hormones and cholesterol. They basically help get energy from food. They're found in protein products, milk, and many different veggies. Not enough will cause a weird feeling in your feet. While too much can cause diarrhea. Vitamin B6 helps with the immune system. They may help keep a nervous system running. They do a lot of things, as you can see. They keep blood sugar in a normal range. Found in some fish and vegetables. So not enough will cause mental issues, mouth and tongue sores. While too much will cause coordination problems, numbness, and basically brain problems. Vitamin B7 is very similar to B5. Helps metabolizing the food and helping the body grow. They're found in grain, chocolate, milk, yeast, and some meat. And so not enough of it will cause skin rashes, hair loss, and brittle nails, so nails break easily. Vitamin B9 is folic acid or folate. So they help your body parts grow, the cells work. They can form proteins. They also produce the DNA. And so they're found in many vegetables. So not enough will cause diarrhea, gray hair, ulcers, swollen tongue, and not enough growth. So your body won't grow properly. And now vitamin B12 helps them get energy from proteins and form red blood cells and maintain your nervous system. They're found in meat, dairy, shellfish, and some grain. So not enough will cause anemia, loss of balance, numbness, weakness, and dementia. Now vitamin C, it helps with growing and repairing the tissues in all parts of your body. They're found in fruits, veggies, and some grain. I think higher amounts are in lemon. So not enough will cause basically if you've heard of scurvy, it basically body breaking down. There's a lot of bleeding everywhere, and previous scars will open, and also your metabolism will slow down. Too much will cause an upset stomach. May cause upset stomach, diarrhea, and kidney stones. Maybe kidney stones. Vitamin D helps body absorb calcium. They're not found in much food, but exposing the skin to the sun will help produce vitamin D. And obviously, not enough will cause bones to get weakened. Too much will cause calcium to appear in the parts of the body where it shouldn't. Vitamin E is helps you keep your immune system strong and helps the red blood cells form and also used by cells to talk to each other, coordinate. I found in vegetable oils, nuts, seeds, basically like vegetable things that grow from the ground. And so not enough can cause anemia in premature babies, and too much can increase the risk of a stroke. Vitamin K helps is very important very important to help your blood clot. And basically, it helps your blood stop bleeding. And found in veggies, meat, eggs, and grains. So if they help your blood clot, then not enough of it. It will cause more bruising and bleeding, and it will be harder for blood to stop bleeding. And that's all. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.